boys and girls, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a simple and very basic potato latke, which you can do at home with the help of your parents, but with some extra fun and special seasoning. So I know we all like crunchy potato latkes. There's some secrets here to how we're going to make super crunchy potato latkes. So here's what you need. You need about 2 pounds of potatoes. So I have 5 potatoes here, and one onion. I'm going to be using 2 eggs. Those are all going to get peeled and ground and mixed together with a pinch of salt, my secret ingredient, which is onion soup mix. And then to make it extra crunchy, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of panko crumbs. All right, ready? Let's get started. Now here's a little secret that's very fun. Part of frying yummy potato latkes is making sure you have no sitting liquid left inside of your potatoes. So potatoes themselves, they've got lots of liquid in them. So what we're going to do to make sure that we have no liquid is I have a dry, clean, soft towel. And I'm going to dump all my potatoes onto that, my regular kitchen towel. And I'm going to strain the liquid back out of it. Here's my texture of my shredded potatoes with all my seasoning in it. Now we're just waiting for the oil to get hot on a medium high flame. And we're gonna fry. Okay, so here I've got my potatoes all ready to go. Nice sized handful of it. Carefully placed in the oil. So we're going to fry these until they're like 4 or 5 minutes on each side, or until they're really golden, yummy, delicious, and brown. So now that my latkes are just about ready on one side, we're going to flip them over so they can get ready on the other side. Before I take the latkes out, I'm going to put down some paper towels on the plate to absorb the oil, because oil is not our best friend food. Alright, here we go.